everybody, it's me, Just Audrey 2020, and today I'm going to be unboxing all this stuff that I just got from Walmart. It is for my brand new camera, the Canon PowerShot SX710HS. Okay, and here we go. So it came with the carrying case. I got my handy dandy scissors here, which is really good to use to cut stuff open. Just silver medical scissors, which is really cool. And I don't really make a lot of YouTube videos, but when I do, I want it to be about something awesome. So this is the camera case. And then we have an SD card and another battery pack that came from Amazon. Always have backup batteries, so that's always good. So this is what the other battery looks like. And this is the original battery that it came with. And now we're going to open up the charger pack. Sorry for the camera angle. Usually I have somebody holding the camera for me, but today I decided to go solo on that note. So, let's see. There we go. Sorry everybody, I'm usually right-handed, so I'm holding the phone with my left hand instead of my right. Alright, so here's the charger. I also brought a backup one from Best Buy, which I will link in the description below later. And then I got this thing. I don't really know what it is. It says it's a micro cord, so it's like a 6 feet micro cord. So we got that. Oops, there goes the bag. And then we got all this cleaning stuff, which I'm not gonna really get into right now. And then we got this and an SD card. And now we shove all of this aside. I will open up the Canon PowerShot SX710HS. I don't want to tip the box upside down, so let's see. There we go. So it looks like we got some nifty cardboard here. Oops. Oh, along with another travel size charger. Awesome. I actually just ordered one of these. So this is like kind of like the one I ordered from Best Buy, where it lights up and it tells you what it is. Like if it's green or red or whatever. So I just ordered one of those. And we will save the camera for last. Because usually I see YouTube videos and people like to save the camera for last. So, oh, it comes with another battery. So now I got 3 batteries, a total of 3. And a strap, it looks like. That is really nifty. And I think that is it in the box. So this is a really, this is a really cool box. See? I like it. Alright, and now for the moment of truth. Here is the Canon SX710HS in action. Well, almost in action. I gotta open it. Ooh, I really like it. It has a nice feel to it. I haven't really powered it on yet, but it has a nice feel. Let's see if I can power it on. It might need the battery. Yeah, I don't think it had a battery loaded into it. So if I could find that slot, oh, here it is. It says open over here. There we go. Now I'll just put the battery in, and I will put the one, oh, excuse me, the one that came in the box, in. And I believe if you look at it, you line it up right, this might go into here. If not, it might go the other way. I don't really know. I have a Kodak camera, but I do not have one of these Canon cameras. And right now I'm currently taking fine arts in college, so I may or may not want to be a photographer because I'm not really good at drawing. There we go. There's the battery. Lock and loaded in the battery section here. Oh, why isn't it going? I don't think it's placed right. Sorry guys, it's like 11:36 over here, and I have not had a cup of coffee yet. So I am terribly sorry for that. And this really bad camera angle right about now. Like I said, I haven't had a coffee yet, so I'm not really functioning. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. Come on, little guy. Turn on. You're not gonna turn on? I guess it's not going to turn on right now. I think the battery might be dead. But yeah. So let's see. Why are you not turning on, battery? Huh. Maybe the battery has to be charged first. I'm not really sure. But yeah, this is the Canon PowerShot SX710HS, also known as the Canon PowerShot 7X. Canon PowerShot 7. Oh my god. Canon PowerShot SX710HS. So, thanks for watching, guys. And I hope that when I get more stuff, you guys will come back, tune in, and look forward to the next video. This is Just Audrey 2020 saying bye, y'all.